guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Millie and today I am going to be showing you how I'm doing my DIY wedding jacket. Firstly, I'm sorry if you can hear a lawnmower outside just as I sat down to record. The next door neighbours decided that that was the moment that they had to cut their lawn, so... And also, yes, we are sat on the floor of the bedroom again because we don't have any furniture, but the next video we probably will have furniture. Let's wait and see. So, I am going to show you how I am making my DIY jacket. I'm fairly certain that what I want is a leather jacket, well, fake leather, but I'm also going to show you how I would make a denim jacket because I have a denim jacket and may as well show you both. So I will start with the denim jacket because I'm fairly certain I want to keep the patches on the leather jacket. That makes sense. The patches that I have I got from a company on Etsy called Ellis and Eliza. Yeah, Ellis and Eliza. And I got, firstly I got this one that is a black love heart with my husband-to-be's initials, so that's just PJ. You can get these in loads of different sizes. I wanted to get one of these with our wedding date on, but obviously with everything that's going on at the minute we don't know if our wedding date's going to have to change, so I thought play it safe, just get that, and then nearer the date, once we know that it's definitely going ahead on whatever date, then I'll get one, maybe. I might just stick with this, but I might get one with our wedding date on. And then I also got this one for the back, which just says Mrs. Jennings, because that will be my name after I get married, and all of these are like embroidered and they're just plain on the back, just flat on the back, so you can put them onto anything. So to do this DIY, if you're wanting to do it onto a leather jacket, then you will need some sort of water-based glue and a paintbrush. If you are doing a leather jacket, you will need a few pins, a needle and thread, whatever colour thread you want. I'm going to use white, and some scissors. These are embroidery scissors, but you can use whatever scissors you've got. So I'm going to start by showing you on the denim jacket, so I'll move the camera down and show you what I'm doing. Yes, I am sat on the bedroom floor on 2 cushions, don't judge me. So I hope you can see what I'm doing up there, but I want to put the small love heart shaped one on the breast pocket on the left hand side so that it's always close to my heart, because that's the sort of sentimental things that you do on your wedding day. So I'm going to start by pinning this where I want it to be. So once you're happy with the position of the patch, make sure that it's straight. If, like, I've got this one on a pocket, so I've buttoned down the pocket so that I know that you can still see it all on the pocket. And then I'm just going to stitch round the outside of it, just loosely. It's not going to be on there forever, so I'm just going to stitch it quite loosely, and I'll show you the finished result. So I just did a whole time-lapse thing showing you how I stitched on that front patch and didn't press record, so that's good. But that's what it looks like on the front. And I will show you how I did it on the back one. Take 2. So for the big one, the writing is sort of italic, I suppose that's what you say, it's slanted. So I think I want it to be not straight across, like that. So same as the other one, I'll pin it on. So I've just finished stitching around the first word, obviously Mrs. in this case, and I thought I would show you. The stitching is just inside this white line here. Just did a few stitches all the way around. If I show you on the back, you really don't have to be neat. All of this is like in between the stitches, just go around the outside. So I will do the rest of it now and show you it when it's done. So there is the back all finished. I feel like I'm definitely going to need some more of these patches to actually keep one on this denim jacket now. Never mind. So I will try it on for you now and show you it finished. So this is the denim jacket finished. As you can see, patch on the front there. I really like that there actually, I might have to get another one of those. And on the back. I've also got my bride hair clip in, you know, stay on theme. But yeah, I really like this on the denim jacket actually. I didn't think that I would like the denim jacket with the patches on. Just my own personal preferences. But yeah, I might have to get one of those and keep that on there. But anyway, now that I've spent 3 hours sewing on 2 patches onto a denim jacket, I'm now going to take them off and show you how I'm going to do it onto the leather jacket, which is what I think I'm going to prefer. But now that I've done this one, I'm not so sure. I hope I prefer the other one because I'm going to have to take them off this now. So I have just unpicked all of the patches off the denim jacket and I'm just deciding where I want them to go on my leather jacket. So I think this is what I'm actually going to be wearing on my wedding day. So I've just squeezed out a little bit of the Anita's tacky PVA glue into a moisturiser lid, and I'm using an eyeshadow palette as a table because I have no furniture. And what I'm going to do is get a piece of plastic and just put a thin layer of glue all over the back of this. So the back of the patch now is fully covered in the glue. So carefully I'm going to place this where I want it to go. And I'm just going to press it down and I'll just hold this here for a couple of minutes. So I've just put a few books on top of the large patch across the back to weigh those down while I do the one on the side. So for this one I want to do the small heart on the sleeve, so it's like I'm wearing my heart on my sleeve sort of sentiment. So I'm just going to do the same thing, put the glue all over it, place it on where I want it, put a book on it, leave it to dry for, I'll probably leave it about half an hour, and then I'll show you the finished jacket. So this is the leather jacket finished. Obviously there's nothing on the front, just looks like a normal leather jacket from the front. And then there's the patch on the arm. I really love that. I think I'm going to leave that on, and especially because it's, oh, the lighting's gone funny, sorry. Especially because it's like the black on the black jacket. I didn't think that would stick very well with this bit being textured, but really like that. So I hope you liked this video. It gave you some sort of inspiration into how you can personalise some clothing for your wedding day or for any occasion really, it doesn't have to be a wedding day. So if you want to see more DIYs that I will be doing on the run up to our wedding day, then leave me a comment down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!